Hello everyone, this is Luke with B&P Lamp Supply. In today's tutorial, we will be going over how to restore your Aladdin style burner. The particular burner shown in this video is an Aladdin Model B. This is a very popular burner used amongst consumers and one we see brought into our B&P showroom frequently. B&P carries a variety of replacement parts for this style of burner. One notable part is the wick. The wick shown in this video is item number 29807, made by Aladdin, sold here at B&P and Antique Lamp Supply websites. The first step in restoring this burner would be removing the old wick and replacing it with the new 29807 wick that can also accommodate an Aladdin Model A and C burner. You will slide the new wick down the inner wick tube. Then the wick riser will go into the gear hole of the riser knob, and then you will adjust the riser knob to get it up to the wick dimples in order to make the connection. Once that connection is made, we will move on to the next part of the burner. This particular burner was brought in by one of our customers to be reassembled after it was taken apart to be cleaned. You may find yourself taking your burner apart because it is needing a new wick or because oil over heavy usage has seized up the gears and or other parts of it are really dirty. Once the riser is connected, the next part of the burner is described in 3 different pieces. However, it is all one piece. It will be the wick tube flange, the outer wick tube, and the air distributor cap. It slides down over the wick and squeezes the wick riser to also provide a secure connection to the wick riser and the wick whenever you are actuating it up and down during usage. You push the cap down into the wick body and lock it in place. Once it's locked in place, you can check it, make sure it has a secure connection, and then we can move on to the next piece. The vent that is shown hovering above the wick is called the flame spreader. It allows for a nice even flame whenever you have your burner lit. The next piece is called the gallery, which tops off all burners. It allows you to add accessories to your burner to complete its final look. Once that is complete, you will put your burner on one of your favorite oil lamps. And B&P also offers the accessories mentioned, which is one of our most popular locks-on mantles. It provides a nice white light when lit, and it's a very easy application. Once you take it out of the box, you will slide it down over the top of the gallery and lock it in place. The item number for this mantle is 29800 and can also be found on our Antique and B&P lamp websites. Thank you for watching.